ka Deputy Commissioner jangka East Kashmir District ka kong RM Kurma kale thu baki phatwer ki balon phet na po Manipur di malami ke jing yakaja baka jing yakan a ke te ke jylla kilong kembar lai spa 100% ngot kini baro kini nega jaj bendri kuki handai hadu menta na kini ki lai spa 100% ngot ki bon ki lai phai no bat ki basong ki basa anang ba shalong kilong stang kembah nyopong ade ai na kini ki nyopong ngot ki badan ba shalong ki babon ki la yo yengwai ha ka bakila saru bat ki bahieng ki basem bat nak mata kitu ki bam yo ki yeng mansa na kalang jang ki board district nangkat ka jatri lang bakirang ba snong kila penyo ki yeng mansa wa sipor kat bakirang don hanen no ba shalong.
And subsequently the three tribes, that is the Gante, the Vaipe and the Zoo communities of the Kuki tribe, they have come to Shillong to take shelter, and at that point of time they had been accommodated by the church, by their association. There were about 365 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community, addressed to the police station, and thereafter it arrived in my office. And of course, I have with me my ADM who had conducted the inquiry and have met them personally, and I would request them to kindly say a few words.
East Kashmir District. Myself, together with the video of Maupat, the DYSP, in charge of the area, conducted 3 meetings. One at Madanrating Police Station in the presence of the Rangbashnong, the Senkanthai, the representatives of the Zao, the Vaipe and the Gangte, representing the Kuki tribe, who were present in the meeting that was held at Madanrating Police Station. The representatives of the 3 communities expressed gratitude to the Dorbashnong of Madanrating and also to the police based at Madanrating Police Station for having provided protection to the migrants who had arrived in Shillong. The Senkanthai of Madanrating had also extended all possible assistance, particularly to women, the old and the infirm. In the meeting, the district administration assured all possible assistance to the migrant communities, and till date we are in constant touch with them, and therefore the numbers, as has been provided by Madam DC, has dwindled. Today the number stands at 77, and this is on the submission that has been made by the representatives of these 3 communities and the 2 church denominations, the CBA, the Chin Baptist Association, and also by the Evangelical Baptist Church Convention. The pastors of these 2 institutions have also submitted reports to us stating that there are no longer any migrants that live in the church institutions, and the 77 that we have right now are put up either in the relatives' place. Some have managed to get accommodation, rented accommodation, wherein the police, through the SP East Kashmir District, has facilitated in providing the police report to the Dorbashnong so that people who look for rented accommodation are given such accommodations. Then we also have students who have come from Manipur to Shillong. Some are already pursuing their studies in the various institutions of Shillong, and some are seeking admissions into the different institutes in Shillong. The district administration has facilitated in providing them information that is necessary, and has also requested the pastor in charge of CBA, the pastor in charge of EBCC, and the representatives of the 3 communities, if at all should there be any need for admissions, considering that we are already mid-year, we would do the needful from our end. However, they have been able to manage on their own, and none had come so far in as far as seeking admissions into different institutions are concerned. May I also point out that the Dorbarshnong Lapalang, together with us, also conducted a meeting on the 20th of May 2023 at Chin Baptist Association building, wherein we had direct interactions with the migrant families and wherein we had assured them all possible assistance in addition to police protection. We like to place on record our sincere gratitude to the Dorbarshnong Lapalang, which in the initial stage of the migration of these affected families into Shillong, particularly into Lapalang locality, had even provided them dry rations. Most of them were looking forward to go back, and we are grateful to the SP of East Khasi Hills in having facilitated to ensure that there is safe passage of the migrants from Manipur who have resided in Shillong and who are willing to move back through a safe passage that was being provided by the SP in consultation with his colleagues in the other parts of Aizawl and also in Churachandpur in Manipur. So as we stand today, we have just 77 of those people who are still staying in Shillong, and most of them, or a great majority of them, are presently residing either in the relatives' apartments, the relatives' homes, their friends, and also their extended families. And a few of them have managed to get hostel accommodation since they are students pursuing their studies in different institutes in Shillong.
Police headquarters, we have convened a meeting in the month of May after the incident in Manipur. We have convened a meeting where Meitei and Cookies were all attended. And in fact, it was attended by our respected DGP sir and all the senior police officers. So where we convene and speak to both the communities that they should maintain peace as long as they are in Shillong, because they should not create any problems, no law and order in Shillong. Whatever they need, security, protection from us, we assure them all, and we have exchange a number with all the leaders of both the communities. Amen. Then also, we in the place where they stay in Lapalang, we have ensured their security and safety along with Dorbarshnong. We have sent patrol time to time from the police stations and also by the sector officer, which is a display rank. So they really feel secure and not feel insecure while they were here. And we in fact always working together with the district administration, DCMM, and all the district magistrate to ensure their security and safety as long as they are here. Thank you.
I want to confirm to check that it's exactly 77 because this is just from work from.
Yes.
We have the list.
In fact, we already have the list which was submitted latest on the 6th of July, the latest of which we submitted, and for which the DYSP today had personally visited the CBA and also the EBCC church to confirm if there are any migrants living in those places, and the report as we received from the DYSP is nil. So therefore, we have arrived at this figure of 77 as submitted by the representatives of these communities, the details of which are available with us, where are they staying, the contact numbers are also available with us, and we are in constant touch with them should there be any problem that they face, be it admissions, be it accommodation, or be it any other issues that they face. We have asked them to be in touch with us so that we can facilitate in whatever way is possible to ensure that they have a safe stay in Shillong.
In that meeting where DG sir was there, so in fact on that day, DG sir has clarified. So I don't want to repeat again because we have clarified on that day. It was a minor scuffle only.
77 only. So can you again tell us where have the rest gone and how?
They have gone to various places. Some of them have gone on their own. Okay, we just facilitate their movement. They've gone to, mostly they've gone back to Aizawl, Manipur again, and some of them to Bangalore, majority to Aizawl. Guwahati,
New Delhi as well.
New Delhi. That's it. But majority to Aizawl.
Before the violence that has occurred in Manipur, what is happening is that Dorbarshnongs are asking these tenants to provide affidavit if, you know, in spite of them showing like a college fees or some ID. So has this come to your notice, and will the administration take cognizance of this?
Okay. Initially, there was a lot of rumors like that. The thing is that we do ask for these documents even to non-Manipuris who have come during this, from July onwards. So it's a normal thing to ask for documents for anyone who comes from outside. So that is what has happened, but that was resolved. We have met with the headman of Lapalang, Madan Reting, and the other Nongrimba. All the headmen we have been in touch, and they have given us the word that there are no harassment as such.
And any of the sort where many Manipuris are seeking a rent out here, they're not given, they're denied because either they're scared that they might become like permanent residents, but though they're tenants. So has any kind of complaint come to your notice?
For your kind information, since that 6th of July till today, I have not received a single complaint. So hearsay will always be there, right? Unless it comes in black and white, I cannot accept that it is a complaint.